visit today. I've got some tubs behind me that I need to put some potatoes in. I did a couple of them about a week and a half ago, so they're all underway. But I do have a couple of seed potatoes left that need to go in. I know it's mid-September, but you know, hopefully we'll be able to pick something up by Christmas. I'm not going to do the onions and shallots until I get back, because I'm actually going to be away for a week as of this evening. So it's Thursday the 19th at the moment, so I'm not going to be back until next Thursday. So I'm going to wait until then before I put the onions and shallots in, and broad beans and broccoli. As they all say, October and autumn sowing is fine, so I'll leave that till then and not stress out and try and rush it before I go away, because then I've got no one to water, etc. So just a quick visit today, and doing some harvesting to take some veg away with us this evening. So yeah, nice quick visit. We'll get on with it. Again, a very nice harvest of tomatoes and peppers. That'll do us very well for next week. So apart from the tomatoes and peppers, it's looking pretty barren at the moment. But as I told you last time, I've got lots to go in, and I think when I come back from the coast, these guys are going to come out. A lot of the greenery is dying away, so I'm guessing it's time to harvest, so we'll leave them another week or so, and then probably harvest them at the start of October, and then we'll get some onions in. Tell you what, this weather we're having is doing wonders for some things. Got more aubergines growing. There was nothing on there a week or two ago. I'd given up watering them, I thought I'd let them go. But surprisingly, more come along. So there are my 3 potato pots. Hopefully we'll get something decent out of them come Christmas. But we'll have to see. I'm on my way home now with my bounty, and it's going to be a little while before you see another video, because as I say, I'm going down the south coast for a week or so. So this is me signing off. Thank you very much for watching as always, and I'll catch you in the next one.